Good morning, dear student. Yesterday we have discussed chapter 2 Human Migration. Migration is the systematic, regular movement of people from one place to another for many reasons. And we have discussed what is shifting agriculture. Growing crop on a piece of land once the soil loses its fertility power. This is known as shifting agriculture. And we also discussed not even man but animal and bird also migrate from one place to another in search of food and many purposes. We have also discussed in the olden time how people migrate one place to another. Today we are going to discuss type of migration. There are two type of migration. First is voluntary migration and second is forced migration. Let's start. And what is voluntary migration? Voluntary migration is when people move to another place on their own wish and choice. Means they are not forced to leave the place. By their own choice they move one place to another. For it may be for better job, educational opportunity, or to be close the to the family or friends in another village, town, city, state, or country. As I told you, in the voluntary migration, people are not forced to leave their place for many reasons: for better job, for education, for if the family has shifted to another place, they move to the town, city, and the out of country. There is a story. Let's read the story. The Anand couple was not happy when their son Hitin was transferred, means posted to Bangalore. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. They missed the grandchildren and were lonely in Patiala. Patiala is in Punjab. Hitin and his wife Avni also missed the companionship and help of their parents. What they miss? They will miss their company and the help the parents give to them. Their two children were upset as they were used to having the grandparents at home. Even the children also miss them. Whenever they come from the school, they are used to see them. So the Anand couple happily migrated to Bengaluru to be with their children. You can see in this picture, they are happily migrated just because they are transferred to the another place. They are not forced to leave the place, but due to transfer they are going to the different place. This is called voluntary migration, जहाँ पर ज़बरदस्ती आपको कहीं और जाने के लिए नहीं बोला जाता, बट अगर आपके ट्रांसफ़र हो या कोई ज़्यादा बेटर जॉब के लिए, एजुकेशन के लिए आप उस जगह को छोड़ते हैं और दूसरी जगह जाते हैं अपनी इच्छा से, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड voluntary migration. So dear student, in this paragraph we have discussed about the what is voluntary migration, when we move one place to another for better job, education and opportunity. Now we will discuss the next paragraph. Look at the picture. You can look at here. There is many people, but Shankar and his friend going to Punjab. In this picture, there's a man and his friend. They are going to Punjab. Shankar and his friend are going to Punjab. They work as extra labor during the sowing and harvesting season. Means they are going to the another state when there is a season of growing crop, and harvesting means cutting crop. This is known as seasonal employment. When we get job in a particular season, this term is known as seasonal employment. अब यहाँ पर क्या है कि क्रॉप ग्रोइंग करने का सीज़न है, तब उनको जॉब मिल रही है फील्ड में वर्क करने के लिए, खेतों में काम करने के लिए, और जब कटिंग करनी है तब भी वो वहाँ पर जा रहे हैं। तो पर्टिकुलर सीज़न में जा रहे हैं, लाइक ग्रोइंग क्रॉप सीज़न में, और कटिंग डाउन जब कटिंग होनी है क्रॉप्स की तब जा रहे हैं। तो दिस टर्म नोन एज सीजनल एम्प्लॉयमेंट, क्योंकि एक पर्टिकुलर सीजन में ही ये आपको पता है, जैसे कि वी इन इंडिया देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ सीजन ऑफ ग्रोइंग क्रॉप, रबी एंड खरीफ. To means labor move to another places in this season. This term is known as seasonal employment. Do you know the Gujars of Jammu and Kashmir and Dangars of Maharashtra are nomads? What are nomads? Nomads are those people who move one place to another place. In J&K, we call them Gujars. In Maharashtra, we call these people Dangars. In different state, these people are known as different name. In Himachal Pradesh, they are also known as Gujars, those who move one place to another. They keep moving from one place to another in search of food, water, and grazing around of their herd of sheep, goat, etc. They move different places for search of food, water. Grazing means a land where cattle eat food, their grass, with their herd of sheep, group of sheep and goat, etc. So they are not going by force, but they are going by their own choice. This is known as voluntary migration. So my dear students, that's all for the day. Tomorrow we will discuss what is forced migration, and there is one activity for you. You have to find two animals and bird name who migrate one place to another, and you will read these paragraphs and you will try to understand what is voluntary migration and what is seasonal employment. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.